Hey friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we know about the USDINR importance levels, targets, news, strategy. If you're interested, please subscribe our YouTube channel and connect it with the Telegram channel link in description. Congratulations friends, our 12th February targets are achieved and we get a massive profit from it. Here USDINR tomorrow's important levels. If USD/INR open above 72.75, we buy and the targets are 72.80 or 72.85. If USD/INR gap up opening above 72.75. In again scenario, USD/INR gap down opening below 72.70, we sell and the targets are 72.65 and 72.60. Here the real-time effects of USD/INR, we show the last trading day USD/INR can breach his crucial level of 72.75. Therefore, the next trading week is very important because the USD/INR is near his second crucial level of 72.45. If USD/INR can breach his second crucial level of 72.45, we show that this fall should be continued. Okay, friends. And one more request, I make it a video of why USD/INR continues fall in past few months. Please check it out. I check it out and I pin this video in the corner of the last screen. Thank you guys. Please like, share, subscribe and connect with our YouTube channel and Telegram channel also. Goodbye. Take care. Thank you.